Hello and welcome to Pallavi's Ambrosia Wellness Show, Nurture Her, Wellness, Wisdom and Worth podcast, where we talk all things women, wellness and the wisdom that comes with midlife. You're listening to episode 49, Weight Gain in Perimenopause, Why Your Old Diets Don't Work Anymore. If you're in your 40s or 50s, feeling like you're doing everything right, eating healthy, working out, but the scale keeps creeping up, then this episode is for you. Let's dive right in. You used to follow that trusty diet, maybe keto, low carb, low fat, intermittent fasting, and it worked like magic. A few tweaks and boom, you drop 2 kilos in a week. But now, you skip dinner, drink green tea, even go for a jog, and nothing budges. In fact, some of what you may feel that the more you try, the worse it gets. That's not in your head. This is perimenopause weight gain, and it's driven by real psychological, physiological, and hormonal shifts. What's actually changing in your body? Let me explain what's going on behind the scenes. Estrogen is fluctuating and eventually declining. Estrogen hormone plays a role in how your body stores fat. Less estrogen, your body starts storing more fat, especially around the belly. Insulin resistance increases. Even if you've never had blood sugar issues before, this means your body's ability to handle carbs changes. Cortisol spikes due to stress issues and sleep issues and the hormonal imbalance roller coaster. And cortisol is a fat storage hormone, especially around your midsection. Loss of muscle mass. You're losing muscle at a faster rate now, which slows down your metabolism. Less muscle equals fewer calories burnt at rest. So your body is no longer the same, and your diet shouldn't be either. Why old diets don't work anymore? Here's the hard truth. That diet from your 30s or even early 40s may have worked when your hormones were on your side, but now aggressive calorie cutting or skipping meals can backfire. Here's why. It spikes cortisol, it messes with blood sugar, it leads to muscle loss, and it leaves you cranky, tired, and craving junk. That's not sustainable. You need to work with your hormones, not against them. Now, what do you need to do instead? Let's shift gears. Here's what actually works in perimenopause, backed by both science and lived experience. Eat a balanced diet, practice portion control, and eat timely meals. No skipping meals, no fasting. 1. Prioritize protein. You need more protein than before. Aim for 25 to 30 grams per meal. It stabilizes your blood sugar and it helps build muscle and keeps you full. In reality, you need zero point 0.8 to 1 gram per kilogram of body weight of protein, which is planned by a qualified nutritionist or dietitian. So consult one and get your proper protein requirements planned for you. Second, eat balanced meals. Do not skip your meals. Every 4 to 6 hours, make sure your meals contain protein, healthy fats, fiber-rich carbs such as veggies, fruits, and whole grain carbs. 3. Focus on strength training. This is non-negotiable now. Lifting weights, even your own body weight, helps to build lean muscle, boosts metabolism, and balances insulin. 4. Manage stress. Yoga, walking, breath work, journaling, whatever grounds you, because high cortisol will block fat loss. Period. 5. Improve your sleep. No screen time 30 minutes before bed. Avoid caffeine after 2 pm. Magnesium, calming teas, and a consistent sleep wake routine can make a huge difference. Now, let's get to real talk. Be kind to yourself. Weight gain in perimenopause is not a moral failure. Your body is evolving. Instead of punishing it with diets which deplete you, support it with nourishment, strength, rest, and compassion. You may not go back to your 30-year-old weight, and honestly, that's okay. Let's aim for strength, energy, confidence, and hormonal harmony. In our next episode, which is episode 50, we'll talk about something many women ask me: balancing hormones naturally and daily habits that actually work. We'll dig deep into the causes of belly fat, visceral fat, and whether it can really be reversed. Make sure you hit that follow button so you don't miss it. And if today's episode helped you feel seen or gave you clarity, share it with a sister, a friend, or a colleague who needs this right now. Until next time, take care of your body. It's the only home your soul has. This is Pallavi signing off from Ambrosia Wellness.